Millionaire penny stock, Aitx, huge update. I know I haven't covered it for a while, so I'm happy to be here with you guys again. I recently added to the position. I don't know if you guys follow me on StockTwits or whatsoever, but I did alert it, especially in my Discord server. If you guys know, I have my own Discord server, stock alerts, options alerts, etc., etc. I added Aitx because I think actually I added it yesterday at 0.0784, and today it went up to 0.09. A little higher than that, but it's showing a lot of bullish momentum. You can see right here that although we hit a supply level, came back down into demand, and we were able to hold it. Now we have a lot of positive indicators that we can continue higher. RSI is not completely overbought right now. MACD is fine, and right here this is a technically bullish candlestick, and we're looking to break above this 0.0964 today. I believe we touched it. Look at how close that is, and this is why technicals work. But we also have the 9 EMA about to cross the 50 EMA, and the 50 EMA is about to cross the 200 EMA. As you guys know, that is huge, and that is a potential golden cross. Now this is on the 4-hour chart. If you look at the daily, again, we're gonna have to drag this thing out because it tends to enlarge when I usually do this. So let's see. We'll go to the 1 year, 1 day. I guess I don't have it, but see, look at this. We have to always tend to so we have to, yeah, there we go. I mean, it's not too bad actually. But here, yeah. So the 9 EMA is about to cross the 50. That's a very good sign. The 200 EMA is still way above on the daily chart, I believe. But that is because I'm not even sure if TD Ameritrade updated their stuff after the reverse splits that happened prior. Reason we are very bullish recently is due to Aitx's update from Steve. So as you guys know, Steve is a very transparent guy. On the daily, as you can see, we still have a lot of room to enter this top over here. This would have gave us a sign, honestly, to sell if you guys did not see that. We were making higher highs, but the RSI was showing some bearish divergence. However, here we are far from those levels. So I do think that we have a long way to go. I don't know if I spoke about this in my prior video, but recently Steve announced that a lot of people are saying that they have no incentive to actually do well for the company. So he recently published a press release saying, announcing their compensation plan. I don't know if I share this with you guys, but he's basically going to start taking a salary, but that's not the best part. The best part is that now he has an incentive to drive up the stock price. As you can see here, if you want to see it, you could go to Steve Reinhardt's Twitter. It's a public profile, and you could go check him out. He posted it there, or even just look at the company's website. It is right there. So here we see that if Steve gets the stock price to above 30 cents a share, he will be awarded a 10 million cashless Aitx stock options with an exercise price of 15 cents per share. So if the stock price goes up to 30 cents, Steve could potentially buy in for 15 cents a share of Aitx. I think that's extremely bullish for us, and he would also have an incentive to drive the price up to 50 cents per share for a 30 million cashless Aitx stock option. Now, do I think that we could hit the $1, $2, $3, $4 mark? No. Not because I am bearish. The reason that I say that Aitx cannot hit the $4 mark to list onto the NASDAQ is not because I'm bearish, but if you guys look into their market cap and their valuation, for them to get to $4 from a 9-cent stock, they would have to be valuated at an extreme multiple. So I don't think it's possible. What I think is that there is going to be a reverse split. If you guys haven't checked out the interview, go check it out on YouTube. It's in this channel. He speaks about it. He doesn't necessarily give us an answer, but it's pretty common sense that if we do want to be listed on the NASDAQ, that there will be a reverse split. A lot of people see it as a bad thing. It is not. OTC stocks do it all the time. Again, this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own due diligence, but it's really to just get the price up there. Again, in my personal opinion, there's no way that AITX can hit $4 because their valuation won't justify it. It would be insane for them to get there. I think as of right now, let me check for you guys. AITX's valuation as this video is being made is valued at 231 million and it's 9 cents. So 2 times that will be 2.3 billion, times 4, that's going to be 8 billion. So AITX is going to be valued at approximately $8 billion if it does get to $4. So I don't think it's going to get there. I think that's too crazy of a valuation to give it as of right now. You know, the company doesn't generate, is not, you know, they don't have a profit as of yet, but again, I'm confident. I do think that we can hit around the 30-cent mark. If you guys know, again, Nightscope is valued at, I think, above or approximately $450 million. So we're still halfway there. So this getting to 20 cents shouldn't be a problem at all, especially when we are way bigger than that. Do I think we are gonna get, whoa. Do we think we're gonna get even higher? Yes, I do. But as of right now, I'm just taking it step by step. Hopefully in the future, I'm able to sell covered calls on my shares. Anyways, digging back into it. If you guys don't know, he constantly updates his Twitter. And if you're not following me on Twitter, which I usually post things on, make sure to follow my Twitter, follow me on Instagram. I put stock plays there every once in a while. Join my Discord and check out my platform, man. We updated it. Now there's a watch list setting above, right below right here. You put it in and it will filter out all the noise for you. Check it out. The link is below as well. The price increased. I notified you guys on the prior video that I was gonna raise the price, but no one took advantage of it, and then I got a bunch of people asking me if there's a coupon code. No, there is no coupon code currently because I told you guys that I was going to raise the price. But again, AITX, he updates us. He got a new client recently, a 10-unit order from Titan Security. That's not the only one. We have another one. One of the major news that propelled AITX to begin gaining momentum again is because they have a potential to get into the airport industry. So as you can see in this article, major US airport poised to deploy RAD solutions. They've been talking about this for a while apparently, and they're anticipating a multi-unit proof of concept order from a direct client. Although not disclosed, the end user for these Scott and Rosa units is a major US airport authority. So I think this is just the beginning. And I think, remember, the market is always forward looking. So that means that people are always thinking, how much can they make in the future? So if we do get this airport client, a lot of other places are going to start seeing RAD as the solution to their security problems. So I think this is a huge step, and if we could actually win this client over, we could expect other airports to implement these. We could expect a lot of more corporations and mainstream companies, Fortune 500 companies, to get on board after these get deployed at the airports. So I'm very bullish on AITX, and you know, Steve always carries on his stuff. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm probably gonna ask him to share this video because I think it's very educational, and it's talking completely facts and nothing of any pump of any sort. But I'm just here to educate you guys. I know a lot of people don't have time to do such things, but hopefully you guys found this video useful. I just wanted to provide you guys an update. Another thing you guys probably love is when I talk about Humble. Actually, I'll probably wait a little to talk about Humble because I know a lot of people don't have like a huge attention span, so I don't really want to go into it, but stay tuned. If you guys want to know about Humble, make sure you subscribe, press that bell button, and you'll be notified if I do talk about Humble in the next video. Although it'll probably be at the end of this week, as I have some stuff to do. I did apply to become a global ambassador of Humble, so stay tuned for that, as well as I announced that potentially in the future. So thank you guys. Make sure, again, check out our Discord. A lot of great alerts today. I mean, if you guys caught the spy dump, look at this beautiful 50% winner. You know, we alert all the plays before we take them, and everything is logged. So really want you guys to come join us. It'll be great, and you know, there's a lot of free content. So have a great day, guys. Thank you.